Tonight in Cumberland County, state lawmakers, educators, and students are taking a look at how hunger impacts learning in Pennsylvania schools. Thanks for joining us for Fox 43 News at 10. I'm Amy Letts.
I'm Evan Forrester. Fox 43's Milena Brown shares more on a policy roundtable discussing free universal school meals.
Inside the East Pennsboro Middle School, this roundtable brought together students, teachers, and nutrition experts, all with one goal: to make sure no student has to learn on an empty stomach. State Representative Nate Davidson says food insecurity remains a major barrier to student success in Central PA and beyond.
There's the other 496 school districts across the Commonwealth who are all facing unique challenges. So each one is different, but the underlying challenge is the same. Students can't learn when they're hungry.
And for Ashley Reedy, a recent high school graduate, the issue is personal, leading her to share her story in hopes of helping other children.
I always loved going to school, and school is my safe place. However, I dreaded going to breakfast and lunch, knowing I would have to lie to my friends, telling them that I ate a big breakfast and I was full because I knew I didn't have the money and I wouldn't be able to get my school lunch.
And educators say the impact of hunger is clear in the classroom.
We can tell the moment they walk in when something just isn't quite right. And when a child is hungry, that hunger dominates their attention long before instruction even begins.
Multiple speakers explained how hunger can lead to poor attendance, lower academic performance, and mental health struggles. Supporters of universal school meals say the policy could also help eliminate school lunch debt and reduce the stigma some students face when they can't afford a meal.
Adolescents often feel shame about food insecurity and hide their struggles, making it harder for school staff to identify and help them.
I'm told that the testimony shared at this roundtable was essential in learning more about expanding access to free school meals statewide.
We as policymakers, we need to learn from the community what the issues are and then take those and find solutions under the Capitol. So for us tonight, it was all about listening and learning and trying to make our bill better and get it across the finish line this year.
Representative Davidson says he hopes to have House Bill 180 out of committee and onto the House floor by the spring. Milena Brown, Fox 43 News.